Hi friends, I welcome you at my YouTube channel Gyani Baba 1.0. Today friends, I will show you or teach you some new tricks that can help you in many problems. So without wasting time, we start our today's lesson. So first of all, I will teach you that if in the mainly this happens in the computer, if in the keyboard there is no option of the brightness low and up, then many people sacrifices their eyes and get their numbers on eyes. So without wasting our time, we start. In this we have to go to our control panel, then we have to go to the appearance and personalization. In this you have to go display setting. In this you can go to adjust brightness. So in this you can adjust brightness, color. If you have many people have color problem in eye, so you can set your color as your. So now we will go to brightness. Then in brightness you have to come here, and then you have to just like this. So without button you can also do in the computer or laptop, so by which you can get help. So now for the second this trick. Now second I will teach you that how can, if the condition that your mouse is not working or your laptop touchpad is not working and the Windows button, both the Windows button is not working. In nowadays Windows button comes mainly 2 or 1. So if they are not working and the mouse is also not working, then how can you shut down your computer or laptop? So it is very simple trick. You have to press on keyboard Alt plus F4, Alt plus F4. Then you can see on the screen there is shutdown option, and then simply you have to go to an enter option and do enter. So if you don't have the touchpad had been not working, or the Windows button is not working, then you can do simply Alt plus F4, then you can do shutdown. Now the third and the last trick that can also help you in saving time. When you are working in the main work of your computer or laptop, then you might get problem of the Windows, that go to the Paint, go to the Excel, go to the MS Word, then you can just go through the tab option. You have to just press a simple trick, use a simple trick, that you have to press Alt plus tab. Then you can go that you have to go to this. If you have to go to the Excel, then you have to press this. If you have to go to Paint, then you can do this. If you have to go the MS Word, you can do this. If you have to go on the desktop, then you can do this. So in this lesson I have taught you how can you low or up the brightness option, and the secondly I have taught you that how can you shut down your computer or laptop by a shortcut key or shortcut trick, and the third I have taught you that Alt plus tab option, in which you can easily do shutdown, in which you can easily do or go to in other window or other document easily by Alt plus tab pressing. So friends, for getting new knowledges and new tricks, so you can follow the YouTube channel and subscribe my YouTube channel and like my video.